Let's talk some gold. Very much in the news of late. There's the stock. It's there's the chart. It's a rebound, obviously. The first back-to-back losses we've seen since September. So it's getting a little bit back. Still on track for the first negative week in the past 10. That tells you where the momentum has been, no doubt. Bill Baruch, he joins us now to talk about some of these moves that he has made. Tell us that this is in the specialized fund around commodities, right?
Yeah, we do run a CTA. It's a fund that manages futures and commodities. It's focused on metals. 4,000 was a huge level for gold, and it tested 4,000 yesterday early. Didn't even get quite to 4,000. I think it shows the strength of the buying that stepped in. And that's a big retracement level, a 382 Fibonacci retracement, which many people follow, back to the July 31st low, which I find a very significant low because August 1st was the big payroll revisions. So this was a big support level. But I think even furthermore, the market got some tailwind, and then the Russia sanctions were announced late yesterday. And we have three big pillars to our bullish gold thesis. De-dollarization, Basel III, because gold is a Tier 1 asset on balance sheets, and widening fiscal deficits. This is huge for de-dollarization because they are now blacklisting these Russian oil companies, and you cannot purchase oil from them. Or for India and China, they now, if they do, they will get blacklisted from, say, Western banking system or the global commodity trade. So this really sort of forces money away from the dollar, and gold is seeing a tailwind from that. Whether it's justified or not that the de-dollarization is there in the air right now, this is a tailwind to gold, and we're seeing a good response off of that. We're also using it as an opportunity to add to our mining portfolio.
Well, that's what I wanted to get to. Newmont, Agnico Eagle, core mining.
Yeah, Newmont reports after the bell today. Newmont and Agnico are both trading one standard deviation below their long-term forward PE. You're going to see numbers here, 70, 80% year-over-year earnings growth expected in Newmont. AEM in the same ballpark, tremendous free cash flow. You know, and Coeur, more than the other three and other two, has also made some tremendous purchases. You know, it's Silvercrest Mine last November. They're also seeing some mine extension life. I mean, there is really good news around these names, and their input costs are being, you know, sort of stagnant. They're all-in sustaining costs are really stagnant relative to this growth in revenue. We could really see a significant level of capital return to shareholders, whether that be buybacks or dividends. So I'm utilizing this pullback. We have cash in this mining portfolio to get to work. Again, Newmont reports after the bell today. AEM and CDE, they report a week from today.
Okay, good stuff. Thank you, Bill Baruch, with those new moves as gold makes a little bit of a bounce.